Earlier in this tutorial, we set up communication over a direct USB connection. Since your Datalogger also has an Ethernet port, we'll be going back to this step and setting up your hardware and software for communication over Ethernet. First, we'll use the device configuration utility to enter the Datalogger's static IP address, subnet mask, and IP gateway address. This information should be provided by your network administrator. Alternatively, this information may be assigned by a DHCP server. An IP address obtained through DHCP is not static, but it is leased for a period of time. The address may change if the Datalogger is powered down. A static IP address is recommended. Then we'll set up our software connection using the Easy Setup Wizard. You'll need to refer to those same Ethernet settings, so keep them handy. You should have already been through the first part of this tutorial, so your Datalogger still should be connected to the computer with a USB cable. That's also providing temporary power. Now, connect an Ethernet cable from your network to the port labeled Ethernet. In about a minute or less, you should see some activity on the yellow and green lights. If you don't, you'll need to check with your network administrator. Use your preferred Campbell Scientific Datalogger support software to start the device configuration utility. From the Datalogger category, select your Datalogger. Since I have a CR310, I'll choose CR300 series. Select the port with the name of the Datalogger. Mine is CR300 COM8. Connect. Select OK to avoid conflicts with the server. Select the Ethernet tab. We'll leave the Ethernet power at 1 minute for this tutorial. Your other options are Always On and Disable. If you are using a DHCP server to assign the IP address, leave this at zeros and read the assigned address from this field. It will be something other than zeros. But if it starts with 169.254, that means the Datalogger was not able to obtain an address from the DHCP server. Contact your network administrator for help. When using a static IP address as recommended, enter the settings provided by your network administrator. Apply these settings, and Yes to confirm. It's a good idea to save a copy of your Datalogger settings to a file on your computer. We're done configuring the Datalogger for IP communication. For more information, read the help topics.